The Sport TENS has been clinically designed for multiple parts of your body. It has over 50 programs that you can use, and it can target multiple areas of your body. What does the machine come with? It comes with the Sport TENS device. It comes with a charger to charge your battery. It comes with the leads that plug into the machine and then also plug into your electrodes. The machine comes with the small electrodes, which are good for small muscle groups, and you have the option of purchasing larger electrodes, which will be able to target larger muscle groups. The Sport TENS is a powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy-to-use device. Choosing the program is key, and there are lots of specific and targeted programs in the Sport TENS machine. The programs have been clinically designed to help your body heal, help tone your muscles, or have a relaxing massage. The Sport TENS uses EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulation, TENS, which is transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, and a massage program to rehabilitate, exercise, strengthen, rebuild, or relax your muscles. It has over 50 program combinations to choose from, so you are sure to find a program that meets your needs. Thankfully, the instruction manual has lots of good information. When you're ready to use the device, you'll want to make sure you have the charged battery and charge it fully, and then you can connect the electrode wires to the machine. Once you have them connected to the wires, you will then place the electrode pads onto your body. To start the machine, press and hold the on-off button. To select a mode, press the mode button. The options include constant mode or burst mode, modulation and stimulation. To select a program, press the program button. You can then select from a range of options including TENS only, and then there are also preset programs targeted for specific muscle groups. There is a manual program with instructions on how to use this in the book and a massage program. The user manual is excellent and explains in much detail about these modes and programs. I'm sure you'll be able to find one that suits your needs.